How to fix TikTok Shop not showing. Let's get started. First up, you'll need to update your TikTok app to its latest version. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in the app name TikTok and search for it. Once app appears, at the right corner of the app, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Now you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, close this, launch your TikTok app, make sure you have already logged into your account, navigate to the option of Profile, then click on three bars given at the top right corner, then click on Settings and Privacy, click on Privacy, make sure you haven't set your account to the private account, toggle off for the option of private account, then you can hit back. Now scroll down, click on the option of Free Up Space, click on Clear for the cache, then head back, scroll all the way down, click on Report a Problem. Now scroll down, click on Chat with Us. Now over here you can type in TikTok Shop option is not available in your TikTok account and send it. With that, you will get the reply from TikTok support team. You can have the conversation with TikTok support team, and with that your problem will be fixed. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix TikTok Shop not showing. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.